R E G R E A.
And what's it say, Ivan? It says Luke is great.
No, love you.
Ivan, you're reading. You know your letters. How old are you?
Deal.
How many?
Deal.
Show me.
Deal.
3.
Yeah.
Let's see. Can you hold up 3 fingers?
Yeah.
So over there you see
What's L?
U
U.
K
K.
E.
E. That spells Luke.
No, that's so mean.
No, Ivan is I-V-A-N. But you're great too.
But no, and no. Yeah, there's here.
No, because this one just says for Luke. We need to make one that says Ivan, huh? I love you.
No. L
Yes,
U
yes,
K
yes.
E.
Spells Luke.
Mommy loves tired.
And Luke and Ivan.
No. L U K E. Yeah. Mommy loves tired. Me. W E P. No. W E R E.
Yes.
And G. And
Lots of letters.
And you go W E R E. Spell you got G R E A T.
Spells great. And you're great.
No, me love you, child.
I love you.
I love you, child.